So we are here in our first apartment. We got here maybe like half an hour ago, almost an hour probably. I'm trying to get stuff in order. I've put stuff in the fridge. I'm washing some chair covers from some chairs that we got off of Marketplace. So I put the stuff in the fridge. We have like a little mini haul. And now I'm just trying to get stuff back in order. In moving to this apartment, I was actually sent some pots and pans from a company called GT, and you can order these on Amazon. I just wanted to show you what they sent me. So, if you're not familiar with these, and I've already filmed some with these, but not on YouTube. Not yet, at least. These are pot and pans where the handle is removable. So that's how you do it. And they sent these to me so that I can try them and then share my thoughts about them. And it comes with the whole set. There's even the square one that has like a grill line. And then these little things were also sent just so that you can put in between the pots and pans so that they don't scratch each other. In the box I got all of these, so 6 pots and pans. I also got a spatula, a spoon, and a silicone brush. Oh, and I also got this, the tongs, I think that's what they're called. And I got 2 handles, so 2 handles to use in between the 6 pots and pans. And they came with 3 lids. And let me just put these to the side so that I can show you better. So this is the smallest lid. This is the medium size lid. And this is the biggest lid. And you can use them throughout, like, with all the pots and pans. So the medium lid fits on this, like the small pan. It fits on the medium pot or the small pot. You see? The smaller lid fits on the smallest pot. And then the bigger lid fits on these 2 down here, the pan and the pot. It doesn't come with a lid for the grill pan, but that's okay. And they also sent me, and I think these were out like complimentary, which are these silicone covers for like jars. You can cover a pot with them too. Yeah, that's pretty much all they sent me. And I will link the link to, let's look at my face now. I will link the link to this on in my description box below the link for Amazon. You can order this on Amazon. They have it for Canada and they also have it for the United States. I'm not sure about Europe, but I'll search that up and I'll leave the link in the description box below so that you guys can check it out if you're interested. I have tried these pots out in the oven on the stove top, and they have really impressed me. They are non-stick. Even in the oven, which was to me the hardest test, we baked chicken in it, and so I thought that it was going to be hard to wash them, but no, it was so easy to wash whatever was on these pots off. It took me no scrubbing. Like, I didn't even have to scrub it. I just washed it, and I think it's because of the non-stick properties. It's coated with granite, so it's really good. I am enjoying these pots so far, and I've been using them all week. For the pan, we tried quesadillas. We've done scrambled eggs on them. These pots have been great. And I'm now going to warm up some soup and some taquitos, and you watch me use these pots. Podia acender lixo. So this whole entire video is the first day that we were here in the apartment. Officially, I guess you could say. We had actually spent most of the month up north with family at a cousin's house. So we spent like almost a month there. We came down for maybe 4 days and then we went back up and now we're here for good. So, which means I can film with more liberty. I could have always filmed up there, but I guess it's just easier for me when I'm alone, I guess you could say. And yeah, that's pretty much it. How are you guys? I just wanted to thank everyone for being so supportive. In our previous video, we uploaded and we announced that we have moved to Canada. And if you don't know that, now you do. I think everyone knows that by now. So it's been nice. It's been an adjustment, I will tell you that for sure. It is never easy moving countries. I moved countries when I was 13, and I guess I could tell you that story one day. Not today though. That's a very long story, what it was like for me moving countries as a child. I could share that story. My experience as a child changing countries, it was not an easy one. But yeah, let me know if you want to hear that story ever. Now changing countries as an adult continues not to be easy. There are different challenges from when I was a child, because when you're a child, you don't think about money and all that stuff and all the responsibilities. It's different. It is. When you're a child, you concentrate on things that are not important to you as an adult, but are important to you as a child. And the thing is, we didn't just change countries, we changed continents. So we're really far from home, but that is okay because we're happy where we are right now. We're very excited for our future, our lifelong journey. We don't know what the future holds us, but that's the fun part, right? Everything is uncertain. And even though I'm the type of person who loves to know where I'm going to be in a year, nothing ever goes as planned, so there's no point in making any plans, right? I also want to talk about this book. I read this book. It was a recommendation from a cousin, Dana. She recommended this book to me, and to me, this book is 5 stars. You guys really need to read it if you like stories about the Second World War and experiences of people. This book is fiction. It is not based on a true story, but it's very interesting. It is based on, so it's the point of view of a German little girl. So it's very interesting. I think you guys should read it. It's a very sad story, but it's interesting. And I really recommend it. I loved the story. It did take me a while to read it just because there's so much going on, so it did take me almost a month to read it, but you could read it faster than that if you really like books. Do you guys like to read? Let me know what you recommend for books. I think I'm going to make a goal this year. I know your New Year's resolutions has already passed, but I want to read a lot more this year. I used to love reading when I was in Canada. I fell out of that habit when I went to Portugal. Actually, I would read a lot online, the ebooks, but physical books, since most books in Portugal are Portuguese, and it was hard to get my hands on English books, also because books were really expensive in Portugal, I wouldn't read physical books that much. But I do love reading, and I do love stories, so let me know what you guys recommend for books, because now I am in the country where there's infinity amount of books, and it's fun to get back into that habit again. Anyways, I'm not going to talk that much anymore. I'm going to end this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button on this video. Don't forget to comment down below because I love hearing your guys' opinions. I love interacting with you guys. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed so that you don't miss future content. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!